Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Stories. Learn and chill. Today, we will try something very special and very powerful for improving your English. It's called the shadowing technique. Shadowing means that I will speak slowly and clearly, and you will repeat after me with the same pronunciation, rhythm, and feeling. This method helps you build confidence, fluency, and natural speaking skills. Today's story is about Emma at the zoo. Are you ready? Let's begin. It is Sunday morning, and the weather is sunny and warm. Emma wakes up early because today is a special day. She and her family are going to the zoo. Emma loves animals, so she is very excited. She gets dressed quickly, eats her breakfast, and waits near the door. Her mother says, "Are you ready, Emma?" Emma smiles. "Yes, I can't wait." They all get in the car, her mother, father, and younger brother, Leo. The drive is calm, and the sky is bright blue. Emma looks out the window and thinks about all the animals she will see. After 20 minutes, they arrive at the zoo. The entrance gate is big, colorful, and full of pictures of animals. A sign says, "Welcome to Green Safari Zoo." Emma feels happy already. Inside, everything looks beautiful. There are tall trees, green grass, and small paths leading to different animal areas. Her father takes a map of the zoo. "Let's start with the big animals," he says. Emma nods. "Yes, let's go." They walk together, slowly enjoying the peaceful morning. The first place they visit is the lion area. Emma sees two lions resting under a tree. One is a big male lion with a golden mane. The other is a female lion, calm and elegant. Emma whispers, "They look so strong." Her mother says, "Yes, lions are called the kings of the jungle." The male lion lifts his head and roars softly. Leo jumps a little and laughs. "Wow, that was loud." Emma smiles. She loves the sound. Next, they go to see the tigers. There are 3 tigers walking slowly around their space. Their orange and black stripes look beautiful in the sun. Emma says, "They move so quietly." Her father answers, "Yes, tigers are great hunters." One tiger drinks water from a small pool. Emma watches carefully, enjoying the moment. The bear area is next. 2 big brown bears are playing with a log. They look strong but also a little cute. Emma laughs. They look like they're having fun. Her mother says, "Bears love to play and explore." One bear stands on 2 legs for a moment, and Emma is amazed.
Emma's favorite animals are elephants, so she runs ahead. She sees 2 huge elephants eating leaves. Their ears are big, and their trunks move slowly. Emma says softly, "They are beautiful." Her father nods. Elephants are smart and gentle. One elephant sprays water with its trunk, and Leo laughs loudly. "Do it again." Emma feels peaceful watching them.
The giraffe area is tall and wide. 4 giraffes are walking gracefully. Their long necks move slowly from side to side. Emma says, "They look elegant." Her mother smiles. "Yes, and they can eat leaves from very high trees." A giraffe bends down to look at the visitors. Emma waves at it happily. Near the giraffes, Emma sees zebras. Their black and white stripes look perfect. Emma says, "They look like horses in pajamas." Her father laughs. "That's a funny way to say it." The zebras stand close together, calm and quiet. Farther along, Emma sees a group of deer. They look gentle and shy. One deer has large antlers. Emma says, "He looks like a king." Her mother says, "Male deer have antlers. They use them for protection." The baby deer looks adorable. The monkey area is noisy and full of energy. Monkeys are jumping, climbing, and swinging from branch to branch. Emma laughs loudly. "They never stop moving," she says. One small monkey comes close to the glass and looks at Emma. She waves, and the monkey tilts its head. Leo says, "I think he likes you." Emma giggles happily. Next, they visit the panda. A big panda is sitting and eating bamboo slowly. Emma says, "He looks so relaxed." Her mother answers, "Pandas love to eat and rest." The panda rolls gently on the grass, and Emma smiles warmly. In the next area, Emma sees a red fox. It has bright orange fur and a fluffy tail. The fox walks quietly and looks clever. Emma whispers, "He looks smart." Her father says, "Foxes are very intelligent animals." Emma watches it calmly. They enter the bird section next. Colorful parrots are sitting on branches. One parrot is red, blue, and yellow. Another is green with bright eyes. Emma says, "They're beautiful." The green parrot suddenly says, "Hello." Emma freezes, then laughs. Did it talk? Leo laughs too. Next to the parrots, Emma sees eagles. They look powerful with their large wings. Emma says, "They look like kings of the sky." Her father agrees, "Yes, eagles can fly very high." Emma watches them with respect. The penguin area is cold and snowy. Penguins are walking, sliding, and swimming. Emma laughs. "They walk so funny." Her mother says, "Yes, but they are great swimmers." A small penguin hops near the glass, and Emma waves at it. In the reptile area, Emma sees a crocodile. It is lying still with its eyes half open. Emma whispers, "It looks scary." Her father says, "Crocodiles are very strong, but they move slowly on land." The crocodile opens its mouth slowly, and Emma steps back a little. Next, they see snakes. A long green snake moves quietly in its glass home. Emma feels a little nervous but also curious. Her mother says, "Don't worry, it's safe." Emma watches the snake glide smoothly. It looks calm and graceful. Near the snakes, Emma sees turtles. They move very slowly. Emma says, They look peaceful. Leo laughs. They move like old grandpas. Emma smiles softly. In a small wet area, frogs are jumping and croaking. Some are green, some are brown. Emma listens to the funny sounds. She says, "They sound like they're singing." Outside, there is a group of flamingos standing on one leg. Their pink feathers shine in the sun. Emma says, "They look so elegant." Her mother says, "Yes, flamingos are very graceful birds." Near the forest area, Emma sees wolves. They look strong and calm. One wolf howls softly, and Emma feels a little chill. Her father says, "Wolves live in groups and protect each other." Emma respects them. Finally, they visit the camels. Two camels with long necks and humps stand quietly. Emma says, "They look gentle." Her mother explains, "Camels can walk in the desert for many days." Emma watches them slowly chew their food. After visiting so many animals, Emma feels happy and tired. Her father says, "Let's get ice cream before we go home." Emma and Leo say together, "Yes, please." They sit on a bench, eating their ice cream and talking about their favorite animals. Emma says, "Today was amazing." Her mother smiles, "I'm glad you enjoyed it." As they leave the zoo, Emma looks back and waves. She feels grateful for this beautiful day. Great job! That was today's story. Now, let's do a quick review of the most important sentences from today's lesson. The lion is strong and has a big golden mane. The lion is strong and has a big golden mane. The lion is strong and has a big golden mane. The tiger is beautiful with orange and black stripes. The tiger is beautiful with orange and black stripes. The tiger is beautiful with orange and black stripes. The elephant is huge and has a long trunk. The elephant is huge and has a long trunk. The elephant is huge and has a long trunk. The giraffe is tall and eats leaves from high trees. The giraffe is tall and eats leaves from high trees. The giraffe is tall and eats leaves from high trees. The zebra has perfect black and white stripes. The zebra has perfect black and white stripes. The zebra has perfect black and white stripes. The panda is calm and likes to eat bamboo. The panda is calm and likes to eat bamboo. The panda is calm and likes to eat bamboo. Great job today! If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more English stories and shadowing practice. See you in the next lesson. Bye!